Let's go on another walk with me. So I keep walking and I keep on talking to you. And while I'm also the guy playing the piano keys in the background. Yeah, I'm everything. I'm all and everything. I've made lately a deep dive into the metaphysical concepts of Otto Wilhelm Leibniz. He got his monads, his, well, how to say it in English, Monadology was a book he has written. And it's quite interesting. I like these metaphysical concepts to explain the world. Since I can think, I'm interested in what's behind the mirror, where we go after we die, and all these things. And experience the mystery of life. Keep your mind quiet, breathe in, breathe out. Well, in best case, stop the thoughts. According to the Buddhist teachings, the thoughts and the self is a source of all suffering. I don't know if this is true or not, but whatever. By the way, I wanted to record a vlog from an abandoned building, but there aren't many abandoned buildings in Berlin around these days. It's something different compared to 10 years ago. Yeah. So I record just the beauty of nature. At least I think this is what you are seeing now. And have I told you that I like the experience of walking on this soft soil in the forest after the rain? Smell the fresh air. Just beautiful. As far as I know, there is also a study around. One American biohacker mentioned this many years ago. Yeah, whatever. well, despite the lack of real abandoned buildings, you can spot the broken things, the decay, the urban decay in Berlin everywhere. So yeah, but I really like this because, well, I'm also not perfect, so why should be my surroundings perfect? And I've heard lately that according to an esoteric concept, every, I think, 7 years, there is a new chapter in your life beginning. Yeah, something around every 7 years or 10 years or 8 years. Well, if you are very quick, it could happen also a bit faster, I think. But I have the feeling that I have reached now this turning point. Perhaps the whole world has reached this turning point. Something new. There's a need for something new. And well, in Berlin, there's also everywhere a construction site around. Yeah. I could say also that Berlin is the construction site of my life. Something new. Yeah, there must come something new. But, yeah, I don't know. It would be a bit more relaxing if I knew what will come next. But I think this is a favor I won't get. So, breathe in, breathe out, slow down, relax.